A signature campaign on electoral participation was launched today from Chief Electoral Officer's office that aimed to target all electors, particularly the youths, to cast their votes on poll day in a free, fair and peaceful manner without any inducement or fear from any external factor. The CEO stated that various creatives explainer videos on application like See Visual 1950 toll-free number, Know Your Candidate KYC, Saksham, Voter Helpline, among others, have been popularized through multiple media platforms to promote ethical, informed, inclusive and accessible voting. Moreover, large hoardings with posters with information and empowering voters have been installed at all strategic locations across the state. TV, radio talks, jingles, etc. have been taken up in a big way in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2024. Awareness programs on opportunity to cast vote by the internally displaced persons, IDPs, have also been taken up at all relief camps.
Today we have launched a signature campaign on electoral participation. This was aimed at targeting all the electors and particularly the youth to cast their vote on the poll day in a free, fair and peaceful manner. Throughout the state, we are putting up hoardings and posters with information on various facets of election, like empowering the voters. And also we are doing various publicity campaigns through news channels and also through the radio. Regarding the elections, we are all aware that the first phase of election on the 19th of April. So all the preparations are on the way. The trainings of the polling personnel, deployment of flying squads, the quick response teams, the video surveillance teams, the static surveillance teams have already been done. Enforcement agencies have also started doing their routine activities in addition to what they were supposed to do prior to elections. They have also set up various checkpoints.